Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is static resource. Static resources are used to store files like images, JavaScript, CSS, HTML and other external files that we want to reference in our Visualforce pages, Lightning components or even Apex classes. These resources are stored centrally in Salesforce and can be referred to as a part of the UI or logic in our code. Static resources allow us to store and manage files that are used in our Salesforce application. Benefits of using static resource: performance: help in enhancing page load times by reducing the number of HTTP requests since the resources are bundled and managed centrally. Version control: we can manage multiple versions of the same resource and reference specific versions in our code. Global access: static resources are available globally across our Salesforce organization. Steps to upload static resource: navigate to static resources. Setup custom code static resources. Step 1, click new. Step 2, provide a name. Step 3, upload file. Step 4, choose cache control. Step 5, save. Use case of static resource: custom UI elements. Store custom CSS and JavaScript libraries to style and add behavior to the Visualforce pages or Lightning components. Images and media: use static resources to host images, icons, or other media assets. Documents: store PDFs, Word documents, or Excel files that users need to download. Best practices: file size: keep static resources small for better performance. Salesforce has a limit of 5 MB for each static resource file. Referencing static resource in Visualforce page. To reference a static resource in a Visualforce page, we use the URL for function or $resource global variable. Apex include script value equals $resource dot my static resource. This would be in this format only, then it is going to accept. In Lightning component, we can reference static resources in a Lightning component using the $resource variable. Import my resource from @salesforce slash resource URL slash my static resource. In Apex, we can access static resources programmatically in Apex using resource url.getSalesforce_base_URL function dot to external form function plus in this format only slash resource slash then plus then again name of the static resource, my static resource. Using a static resource in a Visualforce page, Apex image URL equals opening curly brace, exclamatory symbol, $symbol, resource dot logo file name, then closing curly brace, title equals company logo, anything we can provide here, then closing Apex page. So example, let's say we have a logo that we want to display on our Visualforce page. So first we need to upload the logo, then create a Visualforce page to view the logo. So to do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account. So first we need to upload the static resource. For that we need to click on setup. C for custom code. Expand this. Then click on static resource. So this is. So static resource to upload content that you want to reference in a Visualforce page, including zip and zar file, images, style sheets, JavaScript and other files. So we need to click on new. So we need to provide the name. Here I am providing logo. And description providing upload logo. And choosing the file logo. Also we can see what we are uploading. So this is the file what I want to upload. So this. Cache control, make it public or private. So for now I am making it public. Click save. So this file is uploaded. So also we can view from here. Click on view file. So we are able to see which file we had uploaded. Close this. So now we have to create a Visualforce page. For that we need to click on setup, gear icon, developer console, right click, open link in new tab. So to create the Visualforce page we need to click on file, new, Visualforce page. So here I am creating a Visualforce page by the name Visualforce static resource. Click OK. So in this Visualforce page, Apex page, Apex form, under this h1 tag is there, hello Visualforce with static resource. Then br tag for line break, Apex output panel. So in this Apex image, URL equals in double quotes, opening curly brace, exclamatory symbol, dollar symbol, resource, in this R capital dot logo, the file name, then closing the curly brace and double quotes. Here we are taking the width of that particular image file 100 pixel. We can go with as per our need, height 75 px, and title I am taking company logo. Closing the output panel, Apex form and Apex page. Save the file. Click on preview button. So now we are able to see hello Visualforce with static resource and our logo is coming over here. Thank you.